Yesterday it was totally clear. There was no snow on the driveway, in the street at all. The whole parking lot next door was dry. And now it's been snowing for a while and it is still coming good. See? Mm-hmm. Yeah, lots of snow. Lots of snow. Lots of snow out there. So you can see on the cars how much it has snowed. This is all from last night to now. Out this way you can see that's all from overnight to now. There was so much snow on these cables here that they hung down to about 6 feet off the ground over there, where I showed you the first angle of the snow. Snow? Happy January.